Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new process video in my Traveler's Notebook. Today I am using the Sci-Fi bundle from Pixel Scrapper. I have a special print kit that I create for most of the bundles that I make these days that is all ready to go if you just want to print and then cut. So these are the Traveler's Notebook papers, so they're laid out ready to be trimmed down so that they fit in your notebook like this. And I'm just going to add my tape here and stick them in, and then we will be good to go. So I've skipped the video ahead here so you don't have to watch me stick down those papers on both sides. So I've got them stuck in now, and I'm just adding my washi tape down the center so that I don't have to look at those middles, which seems to bother me for some reason, but I do like putting the tape there as a nice little something in the middle. So I think we will be good to go. We've got the papers stuck in. I've got my photo there with Magnus looking at his Star Wars book, so that seemed like it fit the sci-fi theme as well as I am going to get probably. So I trimmed that photo off of I took all the white off, and then I was like, why did I cut the white off? So now I've stuck it down onto a white piece of paper and cut out a little border. That little sequin pocket I actually had sitting on my desk. I made a few different pockets when I got my new fuse tool, and I was just kind of playing around, and I made some, and then they've just been sitting on my desk waiting for the right moment, which was today, because it coordinates quite well with this layout. So that was a happy chance there. Just adding in a little doily and a little paper bag. You know, the usual standards for doing your layers. So here I am just cutting down these little strips that I'm going to glue on the left side. And I actually find it's easier with these strips. I put my double-sided tape on them first, and then I cut them out. So it's a bit easier to when the tape's already there. Oh, I am plugging in my fuse tool. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a line through the middle of that pocket so that the sequins don't all fall down to the bottom. I think I was watching a video by Dearly D, and I think she started putting in lots of little stripes to keep the sequins more spread out, and I thought that was a very smart idea, so I'm going to go ahead and use it here with my pocket. So while I'm waiting for that tool to heat up, I'm just trying to arrange these different roses here around my photo. You know, I think I don't want to use too many because I quite like that background. You know, the background's got a lot going on all on its own. So I don't necessarily want a lot of embellishment on the top here, but I think I will go with that. It looks like my fuse tool has heated up, so I'm going to go for that. If anyone has any tips for using the fuse tool, I would really like to hear it because I have been struggling. I definitely cannot use it with the ruler, so getting a straight line is not something I'm great at. But I managed here. You can see I've got my line there, and it will kind of keep the sequins a bit more well spread than otherwise they would have just all clumped at the bottom. And now I'm going to attach my word strip here, although I guess I did not tape it before I cut it, so you know, I guess we can all use our tips, including myself. Use that. It's a bit easier to do it ahead of time, but we will get there in the end. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach it with a little washi tape there. I'm gonna stick down that side, stick on my flowers. Oh, and then I realized I thought I had some white glitter stars. I'm sure I have some white glitter stars, but I could not find them. So I will make do and use some gold glitter stars, which will also be nice because there is some gold in that paper on the right side. So I'm just looking through to find, I'm determined to find these white ones, but they won't be found. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.